Once the inventory clerk has approved your preferred supplier request, you will receive an email notification. At this point, you can go to the Suppliers tab here to view the suppliers you have a preferred relationship with. Simply click on Request Booking, choose the job type that needs attention, and specify the furnishing and the number of bedrooms needed for the particular property. Just follow the on-screen instructions to provide all the necessary information for the booking. It's a house. I can offer any additional details if needed. The property reference is unique to me, so I can provide any identifier required. The date and time can be adjusted after the booking has been made, if needed, to match real-world situations. You will also need to include any other date or time requirements as part of the booking process. When you enter the tenancy details, the inventory clerk will only have access to the tenant's personal identifiable information while they are working on the property. Once the booking has been completed, the inventory clerk will no longer have access to this data. For the utility meters, you can provide the serial numbers and their locations, if you have that information. You also need to specify the key collection and key return options. If there are any additional instructions for collecting or returning the keys, you can enter them in the provided text field. To confirm the booking, I can acknowledge the supply level agreement set by the inventory clerk. I will accept the service level agreement and then send the booking request. At this stage, the inventory clerk will accept the booking and proceed to attend to the property.